Does your medicine strip have a thin red line on it? This indicates that the medicine should not be consumed without a doctor's prescription. The introduction of the red line is fairly recent and was done to check irrational use of antibiotics. This irrational use or overuse of antibiotics causes a phenomena medically termed as antimicrobial resistance (AMR), drug resistance, or antibiotic resistance. Antimicrobial resistance occurs when bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites no longer respond to antimicrobial medicines. As a result of drug resistance, antibiotics and other antimicrobial medicines become ineffective, and infections become difficult or impossible to treat, increasing the risk of disease spread, severe illness, disability, and death. AMR is a natural process that happens over time through genetic changes in pathogens. Its emergence and spread is accelerated by human activity, mainly the misuse and overuse of antimicrobials to treat, prevent, or control infections in humans, animals, and plants. Antibiotic resistance is a worldwide problem, to the extent that there is a grave risk that common infections will soon become untreatable. This includes critical infections such as TB, infections of the urinary tract, gastrointestinal tract, respiratory tract, meningitis, pediatric, and neonatal infections. It's a dire picture that is becoming increasingly common. Over the next 25 years, an estimated 39 million people are expected to die from drug-resistant pathogens alone. That's over 5 times the number of deaths from COVID-19 in the last 4 years. And yet, for all the devastation, AMR is largely absent from public consciousness. It's a fraction of a blip on the day-to-day radar. In fact, AMR is routinely called the silent pandemic because of the way it lurks, relatively unnoticed and under-discussed, while wreaking havoc and claiming lives. This month, from the 18th to the 24th of November, is observed as the World AMR Awareness Week. CSE and Down to Earth will also participate in the Go Blue campaign initiated by WHO. More on that in the upcoming videos of our run-up series for World AMR Awareness Week 2024.